How to connect Etsy to TikTok Shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about how you will be able to connect your Etsy store together with our TikTok Shop over here. Now, integration and connection between the two platforms directly does not really exist unless you're trying to have a dropshipping interaction or a business model where you will be able to get products from Etsy and be able to sell it directly into your TikTok shop. Now, we will be talking about just that, and the method that I'm going to be doing or saying is not something that where you will be able to copy and paste it directly or manually. We're actually going to be using a third party app or a system that would allow us to do just that. So keep in mind, this is not the process where you're going to open a product and then you're going to copy and paste all the information directly into your TikTok shop, because that's just a very hassle and a very inefficient way to approach our dropshipping business model over here. So anyway, let's start over here as you can see. So the third party that we will be talking about or using is called AutoDS. AutoDS is a great platform that is specifically built for drop shipping. You are able to connect your TikTok shop together with AutoDS, and using AutoDS, you will be able to add any product that you want from Etsy over here easily into your TikTok shop or whatever store is directly attached or connected to your AutoDS account. So over here right now, as you can see, I'm currently in AutoDS. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to connect our store, of course. So to be able to connect our store, usually it would appear over here on the top left, or even you won't be able get past the usage, or you won't be able to see what I'm seeing right now without connecting your store first. So anyway, for each store there's a plan. It's going to be typically fairly cheap or like a reasonable price, but for the first month you will be able to have a $1 discount. And over here, as you can see, we have the option for a TikTok shop. So any store type that we want over here or that we have, it has a different plan. And for me, for the sake of saving money, I am going to be demonstrating or doing the tutorial with my Shopify store connected over here. Because regardless of what version you have, the only difference is how they connect it to your store. But the features and other things that you are seeing on our screen are fairly the same. So there's not much difference, or there aren't any difference between me connecting my Shopify store and demonstrating its feature and me connecting it to TikTok Shop, since the behavior are exactly the same. I'm just going to be using our TikTok Shop or our Shopify store over here to show you the process or the output of what we will be doing or we will be able to get once we are able to successfully do it actually. So over here, as you can see in our AutoDS, we have different features. You have the marketplace, there's even print on demands, and you have additional features over here like ad spy, trending products, and handpicked products. Before I talk about AutoDS other features, let's first focus on how you will be able to get products in Etsy in the first place. In AutoDS, they have the option to add products over here as you can see. And there's options under that, for example, single products, that all we need to do is to get the URL of the product that we want to purchase or to have. So let's say this one over here, this forever Christmas tree over here that we have. Let's say I want to sell this out or product. So let's simply copy the URL link, go to AutoDS, and paste it just like that. As you can see, it will automatically identify the store or the supply store and then where it will be going to be shipped from. We could either edit now or publish the store. Editing it now would sometimes have some bug, but typically I will be able to easily edit it right there and then. But I think it's going to have some issues right now. And this is just a simple bug. It's not always going to happen, but let me try it once again. Here we go, publish to store instead. Once you do that, it will locate that specific product. As you can see here on the top, it will find the specific product and get all related information regarding this product which we will be able to then import to our store that we have connected into our AutoDS over here. So we could look for all kinds of products over here. So let's look for two other products that we want, and let's try all of those products. This is a really great product that I saw over here. But anyway, let's continue our search. So let's say this one over here. And lastly, let's go with a family Christmas socks over here. So we're going to copy this, add products. Also, if you don't want to one by one import products, if you want to import a lot of products, there's this feature over here where you can simply put in all the URL that you want in one go to save you time and effort. There we go. Then you can click on add as draft, and those two products that I have just entered will be added into your product list over here. Depending on which products or which source you are getting your products from, it might take a while for AutoDS to scrape because it is scraping the information. Like it's going to the website, getting the title, getting the price, and even getting the image over here. So depending on what platform you're connected to or what platform you're getting the product on, it might or you might need to give it some time. But anyway, let's go. This is the process of adding products. So as you can see, it's currently in progress. But let's show you one that is currently already listed over here, just to show you the speed or what it looks like after a successful import. So if you click on view or view in drafts over here, it's also going to be in drafts or being in the process over here. You're just going to give it some time. But anyway, you will be able to have the option to import. And similarly with how my product list over here appears, you will be able to import products from SC into your store. And this is what it would look like in your TikTok shop. Where it would appear is under the manage products over here, as you can see. It should appear here similarly with how products appear in your Shopify store. So over here. So that's all you need to do to be able to connect or integrate your Etsy with your AutoDS. As you can see, it already started over here. By the way, our drafts, we already got one product over here. So if you click on import, started to import. So that's another process. You're going to have to give it some time. We also have our other product over here, already good to go. And after successful import over here, it should appear hopefully in our store list over here. So let's see if it will be able to catch up and be able to do it. There we go, view. So if we try to refresh our Shopify now over here, it should appear under our product list. There we go. As you can see, full grain leather Christmas stocking. It should do the same thing with your TikTok shop. So anyway, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.